Dear students, class plus 2 of economics, the topic is money and evolution of money, then basic functions of money. So these are the series one after another. This is the first series, serial number 1. So concept of money. Money, a thing which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. Money and currency both are different. Don't be confused. Currency includes notes and coins. Now, the role of money, a thing which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange, for example, rupees, dollar, and any currency of the world. Currency देंगे तो हमें goods मिलेंगी. Means exchange of goods and knowledge, goods and services. Then evolution of money. अब मनी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई? वैसे तो ये पेबल से, लीफ से, स्टिक से, but this system was failed in the old age because at that time there is no trade, only for the consideration. Then water system, as soon as little bit growth occurs, so goods are exchanged with goods, so this is known as water system of exchange. Then metallic currency, as soon as growth occurs, trade occurs, little kings are also using metal in place of bravery, whatever reward they are giving. So metallic currency, gold, silver, coin, copper, etc. Then alloy metals. After that, paper money. Paper money coinage along with paper money, coins, 5 पैसे, 2 पैसे, 1 पैसा, 3 पैसे, 50 पैसे, 75, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, like that. आज से 50-60 साल पीछे चल जाए तो this is a system which is strongly dominated because people do not have money and they are using this. Also notes, rupees 1, 2 आज भी चल रहे हैं. We are also using at present. And now plastic money, debit card, credit card, etc. Then electronic money, digital money and digital currency. Now most of the people they are using while they are exchanging goods and services. They are either taking money in that way or in that way, either paper money or digital currency. Majority of the people in India are using this digital money and digital currency, even in the villages also. So it is a good sign. Because we don't need to carry to store money. There are so many positive and negative. So evolution of money starts from water system, metallic currency, paper currency, plastic money, and e-money, electronic money playing a key role in day-to-day business activities. It expands the mental horizon, market development, output production development, and solve the problem of standard and deferred payment. So money is a medium of exchange, measure of value, store of value, standard and deferred payment. Normally these are the static functions. So money is a medium of exchange, measure of value, store of value, standard and deferred payments. So these are the money playing a role. Now the next question, origin and evolution of money, which we discussed, and evolution is related to the need. As our demand, desire, wants are increasing, so need of money is there. It helps to exchange. So money has led to number 1, expansion of exchange of goods and services, expansion of markets for goods and services. Then it led to expansion of the scale of output, production and production activity depend. You can see the prices of the goods in the international market. Wherever you are getting the benefit, profit, you can sell anywhere in the world. Then it led to GDP growth. Means the growth of the economy as a whole in all the sectors of the economy. primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Everywhere, if there is economic growth, there is economic development. So naturally, investment production activity will increase. So people are using money with a smart way. So, yeah, as we are discussing digital money, digital currency, quick, fast, and accurate role of money whenever we are in need or we have to pay or receive, it is quick and doing trading activity fast. Now, some of the functions of money, basic functions of money, act as a medium of exchange, measure of value in terms of money, serve as a standard and deferred पेमेंट. ये क्या होता है? Standard and deferred payment means payment made in future in terms of money as agreed by both the parties. दोनों पार्टीज का जो भी एग्रीमेंट हुआ, सपोज एक पार्टीज की गुड्स 1 लाख की बनती है, 1 लाख रुपीज की, अदर पार्टी की 1,50,000 की. So whatever the difference is 50,000, that will be paid later on or at present or anyway, any mode of payment. So functions, these are the basics and these are the static and dynamic. Static function, they are not playing any movement. They are not creating any movement in the economy. But on the other dynamic function, they are influencing, they are impacting a lot. They are impacting a lot. So here I am going to discuss static money. These are those functions which held the operations of the economy, but these do not create any movement in the economy. For example, medium of exchange. Economy means the way we are earning, from which sector? Economy. On the other hand, dynamic functions. These are those functions which actively influence the economic system, consumption, production, and distribution activities. And it made a circular impact. एक के बिना दूसरा नहीं, दूसरे के बिना तीसरा नहीं. That is why it is called a circular problem. So these are those which actively influence the economic system through the impact of price level. Prices बढ़ जाती है, घट जाती है. उसके लिए क्या करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेंज इन इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ जाता है तो घट जाता है. व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट? प्राइसेस वैसे क्यों बढ़ जाती है? बिकॉज प्रोडक्शन इन द कंट्री इज लेस बट डिमांड इज मोर. एट दैट सिचुएशन प्राइसेस विल गो अप. एट दैट टाइम money flow will be increased by the RBI under monetary policy. So अगर फिर भी कोई बड़ा करंट आ जाए तो गवर्नमेंट विल कम फॉरवर्ड अंडर फिस्कल पॉलिसी. गवर्नमेंट विल रिलीज मनी. जैसे कोरोना में most of the people are not able to do work, they are unemployed. At that time government released money, 10% of the total GDP. So that comes from fiscal policy, revenue and expenditure, money created through taxes. Here government, RBI may either reduce interest rate or increase the interest rate. And some of the other measures also will be taken. So this is what about, there are 3 topics covered under that: money, currency, abolition of money, and role of money. That origin and evolution of money related to the need, because our demand, desire, wants are day by day increasing. So we are in great need of money. So expansion of exchange, market for goods and services, production activities, overall increase in GDP, or we can say economic growth and economic development in all the sectors of the economy. Now basic functions, these are the 3 basic functions of medium of exchange, store of value, value in terms of money, standard and deferred payment. Then functions, static and dynamic. Static functions do not create any movement in the economy. On the other dynamic function, these are actively influence the economic system of the country. So I am explaining this, the serial number 1 of these topics, one after another. There I will create the videos for the chapter money and banking with important topics as well as valuable question, NCRT, value based and high order. So please go through in detail. These are also supposed to be the notes. So be careful. Thank you very much to all.